stainless steel centrifugal pump is a standard chemical pump. This kind of pump is resistant to high-end, low-temperature, high-pressure, acid, and alkali, so customers worldwide widely love it. Today, DUBAO Pump Industry will take you to understand the working principle of stainless steel centrifugal. Stainless steel centrifugal pump impeller is installed in the pump shell and fastened on the pump shaft, which is directly driven by the motor. A liquid suction pipe is connected with the suction pipe in the center of the pump housing. The liquid enters the pump through the bottom valve and suction pipe. The liquid discharge port on the pump shell is connected to the discharge pipe. Before the pump is started, the pump shell is filled with transported liquid. After startup, the impellerotates at high speed driven by the shaft, and the fluid between the blades must also turn with it. Under centrifugal force, the liquid is thrown from the center of the impeller to the outer edge and obtains energy, leaving the outer edge of the impeller at high speed and entering the volute pump housing. In the volute, the liquid decelerates due to the gradual expansion of the flow channel, converts part of the kinetic energy into static pressure energy, and finally flows into the discharge pipe at a higher pressure and is sent to the place where it is seated. When the liquid flows from the center of the impeller to the outer edge, a specific vacuum is formed in the center of the impeller. Since the pressure above the liquid level of the storage tank is greater than the pressure at the pump's inlet, the liquid is continuously pressed into the impeller. As long as the impeller rotates continuously, the liquid will always be sucked in and discharged. The above is the DUBAO Industry's interpretation of the working principle of stainless steel centrifugal pump. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. We are happy to solve your problems.